Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Camora, the legendary horse in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. The area is on the southeast of Deminis, inside the Red Tree Forest, beside the Red River. This horse has a bright brown coat, almost red, and is not easy to miss. Now, the way I tame this horse is by running up and immediately pressing a ride. My biggest tip for you when taming horses is instead of adjusting the direction of your movement to match the backside of the horse, move your camera to a top-down view like this, then just hold on to one direction and rotate your camera to match the horse's movement. You do need a bit of stamina for this, so be patient when taming this horse considering it's also a legendary animal. At level 1, the horse has 3 points in movement speed, 2 in acceleration, and both 3 are points in handling and jump power. He doesn't have the double boosting capabilities of the other two legendary horses, but he's the most well-balanced among the three. And that is how to get Camora, the legendary horse in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.